All right, you guys, I'm here getting ready to put together my new desk. It is right here in this box. Let's see. It was kind of an unheard of brand on Amazon. There's my old one behind me. Old Faithful there. It's held up well over the years, but it's time for the upgrade. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and setup, and we'll see how it goes. All right, here I am just unboxing the various parts. Got the crossbeam there. Those are the top cross beams for the desktop. The feet. Got the controller there. The motors are built into the legs. I'm kind of giving them a quick inspection here. Just kind of see how it's all put together. Really not that much in the box. Here I am. I'm just setting the width for the desk. I bought an IKEA tabletop. It's nothing too fancy. It was just a standard tabletop. I forget what it's called. I'll put a link in the description below for everything. But I'm just kind of looking at all the screws and bolts, mounting the legs to the cross beam for the tabletop, making sure they're all in there secure. Almost showed you my plumber's crack, but luckily I didn't. Just kind of going through the parts real quick. Getting ready to put the feet on. Making sure I'm using the right screws. Do a little close-up with my phone there. Nothing too fancy. It's actually pretty easy to put together. The instructions are clear. Flipped it over there. Putting the cross beams or crossbars for the tabletop. Real simple to screw in. They provide all the tools if you don't have your own. Got some anti-vibration grommets or foot pads, whatever you want to call them. Table pads. 2 on each side. Pads. There's a closer look at the motors there. I'm just making sure everything's secure here. Last thing you want to do is put your desk together and have part of it fall apart. Now here I had some poor planning. I didn't measure out or lay out the centers of my desk, so I had to do it on the fly here. And because I have such a limited space to work in, it just took a long time because I don't have a lot of space to move everything around. So this took a lot longer than it should have, but that was my fault. It had nothing to do with the difficulty of putting the desk together. So I'm just kind of measuring it, getting everything centered up. Wanted it to be as close to perfect as I could get it. And after a couple double checks. Alright. Yes. Set the desk right here. I used a Sharpie to set a marker on my drill bit so that I wouldn't drill too deep into the desk. All the bolts were the same length, so it was pretty easy. I'm just drilling in there, making sure it doesn't go past my mark on my drill bit. Doing it to the other side. And this is the first time I've ever tried to make a video of any kind, so sorry for the weird camera angles. I'm using a phone to record all this stuff, so it's not the best. But there it goes, all mounted up. There was a couple others, but mounting the controller here in the middle. Super easy, getting everything kind of wired up. And now we quick flip over. And again, I don't have a lot of room, so I gotta scooch that little thing around with this cardboard, and there we go. Hooking up the power cord, plugging it in. Alright guys, let's see how we did. Oh, that is dope. It's put together. Oh, took me a little longer than I thought because I didn't plan ahead very well. It's pretty solid. I don't have it on a solid surface right now. Part of it's on the carpet, part of it's on some plastic, so it's a little wobbly. But even in this, it's solid. I don't think I'll ever use it this high. I'm 5'11", and yeah, I would never use it this high. That's way too high. Let's see, let's try to find a nice height. Nice and quiet. It's got a little bit of front to back. I think most of the desks do. But the side to side is non-existent. You really have to try to. But I'm pretty happy with that. That's fantastic. All right. All right. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up there, guys. That was fun. Hopefully you weren't too bored watching all that. All right. Super stoked. I'll post a video after I get it all set up. So keep an eye out for that. Until then, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thumbs down, thumbs up, whatever you want. All right, guys. Peace.